Hello, this is Jerry Watson from Hunter's Fund. The most dangerous moment in driving isn't speeding. It's the 2 seconds that you think do not matter. We tell ourselves, I'll just take a glance. But your eyes aren't the problem. Your attention is. When your focus leaves the road, your brain stops processing what's ahead. And even when you look forward again, your brain is still catching up. At highway speed, 2 seconds means traveling the length of an entire football field. Blind, no processing, no reaction. This isn't about carelessness. It's about underestimating how fast your wrist builds. In driving, the smallest moments matter the most. Thank you for supporting Hunter's Fund.